Hi guys, and welcome back to Cute Life Hacks. I've made several videos before where I've added really weird things into slime, but I realized that I've never actually made one featuring normal, nice looking things. So in this video I decided to go for glitter, cabochons, foam balls, gold leaf, basically everything that you typically find in slime, and just mixing it all together and seeing what happens. It turned out pretty aesthetic and very ASMR-ish, so I hope you'll enjoy. First of all, we're going to make a clear slime for the base. We decided to use a mixture of peel-off face masks and clear glue, which I've never tried before, but logically it has to work since both are water-soluble forms of PVA. Squeezing everything out took a while, so having two pairs of hands definitely makes the process much faster. If you ever want to make a giant slime, then I highly recommend getting a friend or sibling to help. In my case, the second person here is obviously Lisa from the German version of Cute Life Hacks. We diluted the face mask with a bit of water and then we mixed it together thoroughly with the glue. Then we sprinkled baking soda over the top and stirred until dissolved. And last comes the contact lens solution, and I mixed everything until it turned into slime. The mixture of face mask and glue produced a really nice and stretchy consistency. Of course, at this stage you can leave the slime for a few days to turn transparent, but we decided not to do that since the entire surface is going to be covered up anyway. Many of the decorations used here were part of a slime set from banggood.com, and I've linked that down below in case you want to get it. Arranging all the stuff on top of the slime was actually trickier than it looks. We realized that the plastic cabochons would sink to the bottom very quickly, so we decided to make a supportive layer using the lighter materials first. And in case you're wondering, these round things are foam pieces that look a bit like earplugs, and I think they're supposed to be used for crafting. After all the rows were done, we were able to balance the cabochons on top. But even so, you might notice that the middle layer with the cupcakes started slipping into the slime, so we had to hurry up and take all of our photos before everything tipped inside. I think this turned out really nice, and I'll let you enjoy the ASMR from here. The final result somehow reminds me of birthday cake. All the foam balls look like sprinkles, and you have these random colorful pieces in between. The slime was also incredibly elastic, and I think this was the result of mixing face mask with glue. As you can see here, we stretched it until completely transparent and it still didn't break. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit the subscribe button for more. You can also follow me on Instagram under my username Macaroon. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!